My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Everybody say, ah. How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your location. Welcome to another edition of BWF Solicitors Legal Hour. And then so, ebeda utredi ampasi adom amaye enkwa adom na amaye mre adom na eshiraye ama ene. Yede adwumedi a edu every Friday bia yede ba ma kwan na then so biom emre na so na mesre ni die mo adechi na adisa emre ko na emre so ekọ no entwe wo bibi ya megidi se emre na wo se otu anamon na anamontuo ni mo no untu ne keke eyem se ya na nyoma bi etwintwan wa na mu nyoma bi hinti nyoma bi edandan ma utu anamon na ayese enyeye na mom eto de bia wo de wani to form na wo hwem na wo hwe se menya obuafo bi efi ba bia ampa utuminya asemba akupa obi beka kra betumi achichi wo re ama edi yie edi ama enti ene wo hwe mi megidi se ba bi biara wo wo ye ade ache wo nkwen na wo nkwa de na enidaso ewo ho mesrew BWF Solicitors Legal Hour eye hihye eni adesua ekoma ye nyina se wo krom ha UK even wo Ghana and the rest of our neighboring countries no say immigration semfa wo ho nkwa ana se waware mu nsem legal family law ho ana say mitigations ana litigations ewo manso twemo ne ade no BWF Solicitors ometumi amawo emwa ewo akwenye bia a ohwehwe enti twe me enenso ye de adepa ebro mediane manyeti. Just stay and stick with us. I'll be right back.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Mema wa kwa babiom eba ye dwumedie so misra oni adofo onya to ya bomodiana share program ne de mayen fa WhatsApp any YouTube any all the social platforms so no na copy link no na share mayen ene eye ni jesem ne ne wahe me de eba ne sikasem a na me ni age menim se sika nyankopɔ mayen ahoɔden se yemfam pesika na onya nimdia ye di pesika wo ho nkyere wo da akwan bia baabi a obefe bia se yesikasem nko na onimnim dia a ye di nya sai sika na ahokyere enya wo dia enti ene ebedi sikasem na ansa na ebeka ho asem kakra no mema me resource person na me ne wo pe mu ankasa me ni agiye na onfa nchia kese emetiefo ne ahwefo ya na me de nsemfo bi atodwa na afide ya bedi en topica yewo en emamo eneno ne aka ho asem nti Uncle Ben anope me ma good morning.
Oh, good morning, Maneti. Anope dear, I'm say maniaje because I'm say din komo ache kakra. Me hu a na maniaje. Yeah, be di adwuma no. Na ene topic no aye bibia sebe sombo pa. Nkofo be brain tene me bi ase. Nti ene no, be see a breaking myth no. Myth. Ti be breaking myth no. Na ya sure se bibia ye bia aye kama.
That's it. Uncle Ben ya me de akwanya ma na fechi atiefo na adofo na afede yen start adwumedie no.
Okay, for ne one hour back home on Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube, and pay a damos Mr. Say unkwana wutia frewunia bi and I send a link no mano send a bay out on so better because send a munim no and naya me no kase say your kase your application for the minimum ubetimi aye no a 2.5. Scano aye 3,600. 3,600. Ye betchra say na obi save sika. Minim say Ghana for no ye pese ye save ye sika. Enti ene no de ye be ye bibia ye be ye steps ye be taking nyina say na be ya wo akra obetimi aye wo application no. Because sabe yenim said 24th of July, fee no cough so from 1,048 to 1,248. So at 210, 1,258. So at 210, no, echo cut 3,600, no, echo almost 4,000, one person. And in the next 5 minutes, no, share either YouTube and answer Facebook. Na fama wadamfo yadam asenso hopefully no after 2 hours no 2 hours and 1.5 hours no na obia I very clear wa obetimi aye sa application no wa wintimi nye sene ye no He na wasa wo de fa. Sa no mbehwe no de beboa ma wa successful. Ene ano de ba nti. Ichia mo nyina.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's yes, you who ye near G. It's your for for Moshe. Ne here ne say Ubesha program no because ene topic no ehian kasa Uncle Ben mentioned a word like myth. Myth no dodo na MBI school call any chire no eya na ntiase no entumi nsipie na mekyerɛ mu ya kasa say come myth a etumi koba ne say asɛm bi wɔ hɔ nipa dodo aka ma na bɛyɛ bibi a yɛabɛgye di na mmom ɛnyɛ nokorɛ. So that I think that's the best explanation made to me. Akanti asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a ɛmbia na yɛbɛka sɛ o ufa Liverpool mekai emre na yɛdi kan by in the 90s yɛsi wokɔfa baabi te sɛ Liverpool a police bɛkyew wonkita nkrataa ne wobɛkɔ fie nkurɔfoɔ aka ma sɛ wote Liverpool street koraa na ɔyam hyehyew because wonim sɛ wobɛ kurom a na woni nkrataa na wokɔfa hɔ a police bɛyɛ den bɛkyew akɔ fie abɛyɛ bibi ɛwɔ hɔ nanso ɛnyɛ den ɛnyɛ nokorɛ nti saa na ɛnɛ dwumadi a ɛba abɛka ho asɛm a ɛba abɛdi ho dwuma no ɛyɛ asɛm bi a nkurɔfoɔ akeka na woyɛ sei a woebɛyɛ woyɛ sei a woebɛyɛ woyɛ sei a woebɛyɛ ɛma dodoɔ na agye di na mmom ɛnyɛ den ɛnyɛ nokorɛ nti sɛ wodom na wohwɛ bɛka sɛ oh I see sɛ na asɛm no sei na ɛteyɛ nti wobɛhu obiara ɔte wie a oh I see nneɛma oh I see ne mmom ɛmbɛyɛ nokorɛ ɛma yɛ nti ɛnɛ tie me bɔmmɔden anafra ɔdɔfoɔ bi bɔmmɔden anafra wo nyɔnko bi hyɛ program na mehu sɛ moahyɛ ama m'ani agye nti dodoɔ no a maaba so no nyinaa mede nkyia kɛseɛ ɛde ma wo me nuaba Tiliduma nyame nhyira wo Nana Agyeman nyame nhyira wo Nana Sapon nyame nhyira wo Margaret Edugye nyame nhyira wo Abigail Ose Mensa nyame nhyira wo me nuaba Danny, greetings wherever you are. I say hi everyone. Danny dear every day bia ohwe sa na Tiliduma nso ohye program no mane so eni. Tili nyame nhyira why. Na abina oyene wa asanto papa bi wososo nyame nhyira. Na Danny say hello Uncle Ben. Nice to see you again. Thank you. Ojo so Ezekiel Jones no heche why boy aho. Me hear me yakoyo jogba. Momfrefra dofo na mombra so momfrefra dofo na omombra so na omombehwe edwumedi ene ye de beguzu sa na Mizak ye bo anso say good morning Uncle Ben and Manyeti Mizak mejo so papa mesra mon share especially on YouTube no share copy link no na subscribe to the YouTube channel no nti ye baswa na wonya pe na afi wonso wetumi a share wo copy na wo de about WhatsApp no so all your groups now will join na fatare so now ke obe save you obi live ene so otie dwumedi ya obetu anamo nti ebekọ so Uncle Ben eto de bia na ensem bi wo ho na yakeka mana be yo ho no ebi ni yesikasem yede sikasem any immigration akoye wentwi bi say sika bi wo ho say ye ba na immigration sem a say wo ko renew nkrata say wo ko ye nkrata foforo say bibia efa ho a be ma da legal status na wo de betena krom ha no eya na sikagie ewom na sikagie na ewom no every year bia ye bi beto so eno ane say enenso next month ye de bum eba be ka ho sa bum a be kan sika wo bo so kra 4000 kra wa ma me yam hyehye me na nipa baako 4,000 ansa na to come out with one successful application mpo no so when your lawyer papa to say BWF solicitors na obe say sa 4,000 nso wan hwa na adekode na wo hwehwe no ya mfa ma eya na eye ya ha adwen na se moya miensa moya anan a na se nipa baako 4,000 ene eya asempo na mom asem dedede bi wo ho ene ye ba be discussing sa nsem ya discussing so many platforms so na mom still nkrofo de sa ensem bi no ebare ho se unim na ukogye a ne o sa akọ enim a ye mfa ma unim na ukogye sa sika bia se ukọ enim a ye mfa ma no eno na ene Uncle Ben ene ye ba be chichem no we breaking it down no we yi sa asempo na ye de ahye etim no ye yi fro na nya clear understanding say entisa unim bibia ask the right source na onya nimde. Nti ene topic a yakọ kukuraba emo duye can't pay, can't afford. Breaking the myth of fee waiver application. Mintua, mini bi meyeden. Uncle Ben, into the mama quenya, no what church and they have a lecture room. What church we're breaking it down, crank and son, I am so yedi. Ya no atumtino. Over to you, Jola, to be the kind.
And then you bear a lot of math, and
Sir,
you bear maths, and
Mate.
mathematics, and you
Okay.
bear a lot of mathematics.
Mm.
First of all, no,
Mm-hmm.
mama yanko emrana ehwe yenso no.
Okay.
Enti say your mind na yanko your link no na yen starting free ho. First of all, fee waiver ye den. Fee waiver eye bibia sebe aban ahyehye ato ho a woyɛ application bi a human rights based any other specified applications a wobɛtumi ayɛ saa application no. Enti yɛkɔ consideration a nti yɛhwɛ consideration. Consideration no ne ade a aban de ahyɛ hɔ. Nti ɔse sɛ woyɛ fee waiver no a, ade a ɔbɛhwɛ titiriw ne sɛ saa fee waiver no a woyɛ no, wo ho bɛso anaa. Nti wohwɛ ɔma use the word affordability. Affordability. Nti ɛnyɛ sɛ woyɛ adwuma o. Ɛnyɛ no ne yɛka. Woyɛ adwuma o, wonyɛ adwuma o, woyɛ sikani o, woyɛ ohiani o. Yɛwɔ calculations bi a yɛbɛyɛ na yɛdu hɔ a mobɛhu saa calculation no. Enti, the first thing is can you afford the fees? Can you afford the fees? No menka sɛ fa wo credit card tua anaa akɔbɔ bosea anaa akɔyɛ overtime anaa akɔyɛ biribi ne fa tua. Deɛ nti a ɛba sɛ nkurɔfoɔ ɛyɛ fee waiver application a ɔmo ɛnyɛ fee waiver no ɛne sɛ ɔmo feel sɛ ɔkɔyɛ fee waiver no a ɛte sɛ wakɔgye benefit nti yɛbɛ refuse an application no. Enti yɛbɛgya mpo akɔ applicants eligible for fee waiver. Yɛ break it myth no down one by one. Enti first of all, why na obetumi ayɛ fee waiver? Ɔse obi a obetumi ayɛ fee waiver ɛyɛ obi a ɔyɛ application a yɛsi ontua sika. Na saa application a ɔyɛ no, sɛ application no ɛyɛ human rights application. Ɔse saa application no nso no ɛcover obi a ɔyɛ FLRFP, parent, spouse, 10-year route, 5-year route, obi a ɔyɛ application under victims of traffic. Saa nkurɔfoɔ no ana cover. Enti dɛn ana ɔmo hwɛ? Yɛnkɔ assessing a fee waiver. Assessing fee waiver. Enti sɛ yɛkɔ assessing fee waiver, saa assessing fee waiver no, wohwɛ a ɛbɛkyerɛw ade a ɔmoyɛ. The first thing a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ sure sɛ information a wɔde ba no, ɛkyerɛ sɛ one, woni baabi te anaa wɔ baabi te woni sika a wode tɔ aduane anaa wɔ baabi te wowɔ sika a wode tɔ aduane. Ba wo income no, yɛte aduane, yɛte ɛdan, yɛte wo social life, yɛte wo mobile phone, yɛte wo travel costs, yɛte wo grooming, yɛte w'ataareɛ, yɛte wo shoe. Saa sika na ɛbɛka no, ɛntumi mma wo ɛnyɛ saa application. Enti wohwɛ a ɛyɛ nneɛma ɛnan na ɔmode ato hɔ. First of all no, ɔse ɛwɔ sɛ ade a wɔde ba no ɛtɔ asom mu. Nti we use the word to credibly demonstrate they cannot afford the fees. Enti affordability. Sɛ wontumi afford the fee na wonyɛ ade a ɛwɔ sɛ wotua. Yɛnclick to credibly demonstrate they cannot afford the fee. Ne yɛhwɛ asɛm a yɛka kyerɛ yɛn. Enti ɔhema, me maame, me papa, me nua, me wɔfa ase. Mesrɛ mo a modwen sɛ once a woyɛ adwuma no deɛ wonqualify. Dabi, ɛnyɛ saa na ɔka. Munti ade a oka. Ose si ye ba se ye hwe w application na. Ade a wo se ye hwe ne se niema a wo de aba no ne nukure mu no. Wuntimi ntua fi no. Ne nukure mu wuntimi ntua fi. Fi no yen kotono yen no bog off buy one get one free. Mu ye mienu a obetua mienu. Ana ente se oba bi da bi na wo fi no wetua ne kakrakra. Se eye 3650 a 3650 a utua no boom. Enti aye wo ene wo ba 3650 times 2. Mo a monya maths no wo ho. Mo wi amoma me answer no. Mo bo answer no 36.50 times 2 applicants. Mo fa calculation nto. Se wo wo sika na eye 6,700 and BB. Na wo betimi atua na da wa account mu a ehome a fine. But da wa account mu a ehome a na kire se wuntimi ntua saa sika no. Yese ewo se omo agitum se niema a wo de aba no ebo ho ban. Enti yensa ko family units and partial fee waiver. Enti mpo se wo bibi a kire se sika no obetimi atua bi kra na 3650. Ebi a obetumi atua 1048. Ana obetumi atua 2560.50. Ombema watua. Enti se wo ye obi a wo sika kakra, ba se sika no ensu ni nyina. Still ombetua ma. Enti ose se wo ye one family or more family na mo ye dependents a mo nyina no mo ye application ebi American mo ye 4 enti 3650 times 4 Mr. Omonfa answer no ngusu mame mo nye calculation na mo mfa answer no ngusu 36 times 4 wonenam over 13,000 pounds enti ye hu se o 4,000 wo enti ubetumi atua 4,000 out of the 13,000 na kire se 9,000 aka na was aban de chaw. Aban say sa partial fee waiver no o de be chaw. Obeye na o de amount. Na we mu nyina no yen click the applicant cannot afford the fee. Na mo behu ade a ewo ho. O say first of all no the applicant no ade a ye free eye number 1 third paragraph and ye hwe. Sorry, second paragraph. Enti yen highlight second paragraph no na yen hwe ade a eka. O say ye hwe se applicant no ontimi entua sika na oni sufficient funds at their disposal. Mr. Onkase wo sika gu credit card so. Ana onkase kobobo sin free ho papa ho wo Ghana. O say account na wo de aba o mu hwe mu no. Wonni sika egum a ebetimi atua. Na yeyew assessment ade a yeyini. Number 1, essential living needs. Yeyi wo dan na aduane. O say yeyi edan ne aduane ne free mo a ade a ewo se yesan ehwe no eye wo savings, wo savings ana. So wonni savings over the year no yehwe wo income ne yete wo dan wo aduane ane niema bi a kire ye behu na yete free mo a anka wo betimi asave ana. Saa we nyina no si yehwe na saa niema ne nyina no ediboa wo a na chese wo se de fee waiver no ma. Enti yanko assessing income and assets. Assessing income and assets. Mr. we no mbehwe income. Income, employment, self-employment. Non-employment source. Nti obi eche sika. O say ukun ana wo yire se one wo nete a ana se adult bi a wo nete se mo ye householder. I was say hwe na income. Income a wo free welfare benefits. wo nneɛma a wo gold chain, wo Rolex watch, wo cash, wo sika ɛwɔ bank, Ghana bank and a UK bank, wo investment. Enti nneɛma a ɔmo behwɛ ni. Yɛkɔ fam kakra a ɛm sɛ kakra bi ka ho a wobɛhu. Wo asase. Mesrɛ wo, w'asase na ɛwɔ Ghana, wonnim na wokɔbɔ ho musuo na wode kɔhyɛ so a, yɛbɛka sɛ kɔtɔn na fabitua. Nneɛma a wowɔ goods a ɛyɛ for trade and business. Enti wo deɛ wowɔ da nneɛma free saa catalog nneɛma a yɛtɔ yi bi. Ana yɛhu sɛ wowɔ da catalog nneɛma. Sɛ wowɔ saa nneɛma no bi a, ɔmɛka sɛ kɔtɔn. Mabu mo bɛ. Ɛbɛ na mabu mo no. Enti wokɔfele na yɛbisa wo sɛ wowɔ dan wɔ Ghana na wokɔtuu ho sɛ oh mewɔ 4-bedroom wɔ Ghana sei a ɛna ɔmatwerɛ hɔ land or property, particularly any property that is not their current secure accommodation. Sɛ saa dan no wɔ Ghana, wote UK dan no wɔ Ghana na wofeel sɛ wode kɔhyɛ form no so a ɔmo ntwe wa so ɔmɛka sɛ kɔ na kɔtɔn Ghana dan no na fa betua wo home office fee. Ɛyɛ key. And the following items need not be declared, but it is expected that the expenditure on them will be reflected in the financial statement provided. And it is our car wutia fashion. Or mobile phone a wutia fashion. Or computer wutia fashion. Name ye basa ye decision. Application which fee earner cannot granting the fee waiver request. Yemko granted the fee waiver request. Sir, or ye happy. Send some what the abano a clean. Ye toasumu. Bia what ye bia no ye ya. Ombe granted. Ye granted fee waiver na ye betcher letter ye de brow. Enti ye grant you fee waiver no letter way and ye de brow. Enti ye hwe letter no senate. Letter no ni. Mo se omo twero me din ho. Mesra mo nyame na me kwaje fee waiver no. Me din ne de omo twero me kwa. Enti mo be ho se me din gu so. Dear Mr. Bernard Wusu. Omo se letter way no ye ka kire wo se fee waiver na wo ye ma wo client no. Mama say ye client ni din ye free ho. Fee waiver no on this occasion no ye de ama no. Enti monhwe nipa no eye Ghana ni. Fee waiver ohwe from the fourth box na wo ho na o say fee waiver accepted. Fee waiver token omo de ama no. IHS exemption ye de ama no. Yemkum yemposo ha. Enti client na ye man na omode man no May we yi. Owo 10 working days say or this code na omode ama no odi begu na application so. Na de ani ka ne say yanko form obehu say omaka yanko form aha ba bia ya pepa ne din no. Omo say o fee waiver na ya accept no. Yasa aka say o qualify for travel assistance. Enti appointment na wokobo wonsa no. Yen BWF yema omo ma travel allowance eno wo de be foka na wo de akọ. Yensa nkosoro na yenhwe. Enti letter no ye de ma wo no say ya ma fee waiver no yenko. Say na tie. Eba aha bibia ba bia no me din no mo di guso. Na me nim say obviously no mubehu say me no enye me na eye my application. 24th of May free home office. This letter is to inform you that your fee waiver request has been considered alongside the Immigration Health Surcharge. On this occasion, the following decisions have been made. Fee waiver accepted. Yes. IHS accepted. Yes. Enuanom ne adofo. mesrɛ mo bebree saa fee waiver application we utimi yɛ no as long as possible. Yɛwɔ June application na ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ no visa no bɛwu December. Fee waiver application omuni service standard. Enti sɛ home office ɛyɛ biribi na omuni service standard a ɛkyerɛ sɛ omuni time a ɔmode consider. At the moment, the fee waiver applications, it take between 4 weeks and 8 months. It be cry 1 year. Enti, nneɛma a mebɛkeka mon jot no down, and then the 1. Fee na wokotua no ɛyɛ ahe. Enti, mo a mowɔ Facebook ne we na mo betumi atwerɛ no. The first fee is 1,040. Nti montwerɛ 1,040. Immigration Health Surcharge is 1,035. It will say utia for 2.5 years. Nti wo add 1,000, wo multiply 1,035 by 2.5 plus 1,048. Amount 36, 35, 50. 36, 35, 50. Monfa enon to left. Ekuya tenewa oye adwuma. Oje £30,000 a year. Ni take home aye £2,000 a month. Ote Hackney. Hackney no ote no. Or rente studio flat. Studio flat no. A month no aye 1,200. Council tax aye 450. What the come aye 1,650. Ekuya tenewa oje 30,000. Yet dime near tine the council tax I can £350. Ekuya tenewa ye adwuma ewo Heathrow. Enti a month no the travel cost aye 250. Ekuya tenewa I can 150. Ontua light, ontua gas, onto aduane, onya ne wig, on stretching it tea, onto pons, onto nku de bestra, onto non-prescription drugs. Saa ade a ye kan ye se ye ko back a mobehu se emma allowance for cultural, social and religious life. Yente ekuya tenewa ne cultural expense. Yente ne social expense. Yente ne religious expense. Oje 30,000. Take home aye 2,000. Ekuya tenewa bosome ne beso no. Na ne account balance aye minus £449. Ekuya tenewa ewo ojina ne baso no de ye. Only benefits because oje 30,000 a year. Take home aye 2,000. The enti saa no say ekuya tenewa qualify for benefit because one or no recourse but oje income kesiye into unya child benefit ana unya welfare benefit. The sad situation is say ekuya tenewa feel say okoje aban sika ibia na ye de chena ekuya tenewa feel say ye beyi na free 5 years no so akọ 10 years. Mesremo and Tessa. Yenko back to your link no. A ye share no. Na yenhwe omo qualify for sa benefits no. Omo qualify for ye ma fee waiver no. Enti say ye hwe omo ye be ma omo fee waiver na. Mo hwe ne carefully a. Say ye hwe consideration a. Muma yenko consideration. Enti yehwe consideration or say the sole consideration on whether someone is eligible for fee waiver is an affordability test. Mr. You can say over 5 years I won't me budget. Mr. You can say over 5 years I will call 10 years. Mr. You can say we are Juma now 30,000 I won't me budget. Adia omo can say under consideration. On car say you better say wo ho fa na ho nyefe. On car say you better say wo 30,000 and 40,000 a year. On car say you better say wo no wo ye adwuma. Obi wo ho say me ye adwuma ntimi. Ade a oka no ada highlight under consideration affordability test mam. Enye we no na make link na nkasa. Affordability test. Who highlight affordability test, Mamia, on the right, under consideration. The second line, under consideration. Second line. No, sorry, first line, affordability. Mr. Rosa Bronica said affordability. Are there all kind of say? Wuno emre bia ebema obia. Wuntimi entua sesika. Enti enuanom adofo sramo. Yenhwe. This guidance applies to the following types of application. Under applicant eligible for fee waiver. And applicants eligible for fee waiver. Yenko asiye kakra. This guidance applies to the following types of application. Mr. Omo 5 years no. So OBM 5 years. Mpasho, ya try say 5 years I won't mean ye. Manya team, mpasho ya try baby wo ho. Niema ya try we no.
Pacho de.
To ko fee waiver.
There be in trouble, baby, asa.
5 years, 5 years. Ya try say 5 years I won't mean ye.
There be in trouble.
And I said the guidance applies to the following. Applications for leave to remain under 5-year partner from applicants who are not required to meet the minimum requirement, the minimum income. Application for leave to remain under the 5-year parent route. Application for leave to remain under 5 years means answer mama 10-year route. Mama, you're very careful because the whole process in the sense. So who yes application we are. Adia here and say won't me entua fee. Na baby a omo be assess no ma hu say won't me entua fee no. Wo bank statements a wo dey ba. Ana nipa no ohwe wo letter a watwera ma wo. Ni nyina key. Ye hu say akuatene wa a year ni pay 30,000. But ye hu say 30,000 no. Ni take home 2,000. Enti adai say you call under time frame for considering documentary evidence. Young kwasi. Ubehu time frame for considering. Young kwasi.
Akra.
Yeah. Time yanko. Yanko, ubehu time frame for considering. What are yanko? Yanko. Yeah. And see what are yanko? Yeah, yanko. Time frame.
Considering.
Yes.
Assessing the request.
Mpacho den no matro. Manye team mpacho kai mame.
I see no specific service standards apply to the assessment of whether the applicant qualifies for a fee waiver. However, caseworkers must make reasonable effort to decide such requests promptly, especially those involving a child or an applicant who is disabled or otherwise in vulnerable circumstances.
Adio mo kan say sa fee waiver we no. Oh yeah. Enye 1 month, enye 2 months. In fact, almost need time I want to consider. Time yeah ni ho. Enti me say o paper no be December and then June for fee waiver too. woyɛ adwuma na wogye 2,000 na wotete aduane a wodi wo dan ne saa nneɛma no nyinaa firi mu a wobɛqualify. Ɔmo qualify ɛyɛ obi a ebi ɔgye bɛyɛ 70,000-80,000 pounds a year na ɔno nkwa na ɔkɔyɛ application. Na ɔmo yɛ nti yɛbɛtumi ɛyɛ free hɔ my operator. Nti ɔmo ɛnqualify no ɛyɛ obi a ɔgye sika bebree. But the fact that we are human no, affected. And a myth, a war and Crawford feel say over 5 years now Kojia, you know, 10 years. Myth and a year free. In fact, Home Office guidance notes almost say even more apply for no recourse on the CB year free on over 5 years. Still, you better watch for 5 years. You found for 10 years. And then no myth no. Ye breaky myth no down. Nti manyeti the question be what.
Uncle Ben, you better say, and then you breaking myth need down. Nature say, in some you can say, hey, say, ya, 5 years, you know, we got 10 years, you know, I got to no, any asempa, crofake cash and crofo to money, I quite say, be on answer, and ye no crane, Uncle Ben, I bet you must say, sir. Fee waiver. Say who deserve so obeye qualify say why na ubenya nkwa ubenya ena Uncle Ben so acheche mo say dodo na oje no even obi up to 30,000 nso no ye hwe na expenditure what they atoto ho against ni bank statement na edi mo say sika na ebi nka na ode aye bibia internet so ono nso ohia mmoa. Nukra obedia ni se bank statement no nyoma na itemize na ewo ho no ne nyina edi mu na se ehu se sika bi bum na wati e de ko ba bi a ntiase ni ho ene ye bebisa o se sa sika no ekwa akoye den na se bebi ekọ no hu nhia saade a na ne wo sika a obetumi ache bia na ne brana betua ofi anka be ye beda ase na o ka no ensam kakra fa mitirimu ani se obi be hu mi ka say oye sa fi waiver bi na aka no be 6 months na de ni bewu nti na odi tumu se be bantam na nka wakoye fi waiver de na ya ti ase so mo ni specific time assessing time mo ni specific na mom ade na akodi be 9 months me ne wo ka say 9 months still I want hwe e na ni krata no nso ewu enti ato na adwendwen ma ohun ne oye no anka ben obi sa no on when it so say we di kan ye na fee waiver application no senka ebeba ntem no de aye no application in 6 months time ade amba ma 6 months na twum kram 3 months abegu so o say watro mo wafro mo waye den still a ye fee no anka ben bibisa etia eden na o say wo ye
Manyeti eno na ha me bebree no because sabe so owo adwumanum dada problem ne ho. Ko once why fee waiver application under paragraph 34 of the immigration rules it's deemed say why application before the time because fee waiver are a part of the application process into section 3C of the Immigration Act no be cover. But all per adwuma foforo or ye Uber or ye security no also renew the SIA and now Uber for London Mayor of London driver's license or license na the maomona and I say or call new interviewer employer no need time afena or kohwe na wo application when ye ade a wa fee waiver no on tiasie
baby
anything America kire mo say obi wo application here yemfa say December me the year example December be wu aka 6 months and then fatum and then for our application it because we go train now in November and they will call the following year and send the decision number and you how now what tete now what friend lawyer and a lawyer di acho na me ma me yare o na wo say me call you na obi ewu na me wo wedding o na me go school ye bisa me passport and I'm a new job mama benya promotion yes me fa we mra yes yeah be trouble for trouble you be catch man say once I fee waiver application or visa no ko wu o mo kra na o ye cover I don't know tia se and John can tell say we nti na memfa But Becca Charles interview no yeah no one qualify. No afa will be for. And no ye person ye prevented. And into na obe hu a yeah ye focus and yet the medema no ka. But the aban actually good krata so a and no the be access to application. Aban ne say o fee waiver application time ni ho. And yes, say your experience and say it takes between 4 months
And
and
8 months.
8 months.
Okay.
And then o visa be December fatum ene.
This year.
Na kwaje wo fee waiver. Na your community ye hwe nso a most of the people be qualify for fee waiver.
Yes.
Most of them will qualify because some won't just 70,000 and above. But if you want 40,000, now we take home cry I pay 2,500 at the corner. Still, so rent I 1,008. Or cancel tax, but what you were doing, what mobile phone, internet, what travel cost,
Yeah.
grooming, clothing. Meaning now, say at the end of the month, we need
That's
to that is the life I work more. Most people are wahano end of the month at the bank because you're the overdraft and now. The reality they say, meme person will be to say scanego because microphone be pray a struggle. Meaning the entity will be your application. Wa when ye juma, when ye heard, was you mean person me kwa akɔgye na ɔmbɛhwehwɛ me nneɛma mu dodo. Ada wo yɛ fi ayɛ ni anaasɛ wo yɛ KGB. The essence of the fee waiver is say the amount to 36, 35, 50. 36, 35,
36, 35.
635 pounds
Hey.
for one person. It cost by 210 on the 24th of July.
Wow.
Some person would no problem. Lawyer, but the essence of the fee waiver, I say, wouldn't mean afford bra. Yes, we your application about koto ama we delay. And internet was a long time. Now what the application no na edimu na edu time omo access na e buy no 10 working days with the main application betu na aye easy ama.
Yeah, no. Oh, Uncle Bear, yeah, that's it. Watch it, Mupa. Send Crawford be send a message na main kind be ewa nansana med Mr. Mama just 1 minute making come messages na na eba no. Obia send biaba. Na ya can say Uncle Ben. One say saa nhwehwɛmu no a yɛka ho asɛm no sɛ wayɛ statement of account na wakyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ wei kɔ ha wei kɔ ha wei kɔ ha sɛ yɛbɛhwɛ mu paa dodoɔ no a wɔtumi yɛ ama ɔmo sika no akɔ akɔyɛ minus zero na kyerɛ sɛ zero no ankasa minus kasa aka ho na yɛ sika no nyinaa atumi sa oyiyi ne bills ne rent ne nneɛma like the things a yɛbobɔ list na yɛbobɔ yi so nyinaa yi firi mu a na akɔyɛ zero nti nkurɔfoɔ bi wɔ saa adwene ne sɛ ɛyɛ dɛn na osika no a woyiyi biribiara ɛka zero no anaa ɛkɔ minus no na kyerɛ sɛ mbia na ɛnyɛ nokorɛ so how do you live because ebi mu deɛ ɛyɛ a na wohu sɛ yɛ magical sɛ ɛdɛn o nokorɛ paa ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔde bi ka wɔ bank bɛ wobɛhu sɛ wogye 2,000 a month na woyi rent woyi bill wotumi sɛ ɛkɔ minus nti ɛyɛ a na yɛbisa sɛ saa minus no yɛyɛ ne sɛn na nti ɛkɔba ne saa na raise question mark a wode saa itemized statement na ɛde kɔ no raise question sɛ adeɛ yi a wayɛ mbia na nkɔyɛ nokorɛ anaasɛ woba bɛgye fee waiver ne nti na wayɛ ne saa anka bɛn biribi saa ɛwɔ hɔ anaasɛ biribi saa nso wɔ hɔ a kwan bɛn na ɔsɛ nka yɛyɛ no na ɛnyɛ yie.
Ohima, first of all, o bank statement no ntwa ntoro. O bank statement no transactions na so ebi bem and ebi kɔ. Ebi a standing order, ebi a direct debit, ebi a cash, ebi a card, ebi a app transfer, ebi a online transfer. Ofa Ghana ni bank statement deɛ ɛyɛ common a wobɛhu ɛyɛ rent, mortgage, travel, food. Food no spread over a week. Of course, Sainsbury's, Tesco's, Lidl. No, I am shopping. oyi cash na bia wato bibi sa cash na ode to na very likely say bia wakoto shaki sisi ashaki no kra na ka foto no ani akoko na no ukoto kra na utimi use wo card anaasɛ wo iPhone yi bia utimi use yemi a na wode wani ahwɛ no na aba na wode atua na wode ayɛ enti most transactions no ɛwɔ bank account so baby a problem wɔ no ɛyɛ obi a afei na ɔyɛ an application uni asetena nti uni bank account enti obi na hwɛ no nipa no hwɛ no nso wɔma na ehu sɛ ɔhema me mpɛ sɛ me din bɛkɔ home office hɔ me boa o kɛkɛ enti woti me fie yɛ cancel accommodation me mpɛ sɛ cancel me hu sɛ wote ha enti me no nya ade a mɛma wo letter within the document yɛ no ɔma acknowledge sɛ problem saa wɔ hɔ enti wo ka wasɛm na yɛhwɛ sɛ woyɛ obi a woyɛ nokorɛfo a the only way a wone obi kasa a wobɛhu sɛ ɔyɛ nokorɛfo no sɛ asɛm a ɔreka no ɔnto mmra enti ne nsɛm a ɔde aba nyinaa no ɔsɛ me baa 2 years ni mabɛwo yɛ no me ba no papa no no ɔwɔ yere enti ɔmpɛ sɛ obi hu yɛ nim wagye British passport ama no ana me nko a me ne me bate baabi a mete no masɔre ne bi ana makɔtena ne nkyɛn ɔno no wɔ 2 bedrooms ɔne ne mma na wɔ hɔ nti yɛnyɛ wɔ asa so ɔno aduane a ɔma me bi di ɔtɔ me ba no nneɛma ma me ana nneɛma enti ne nyinaa no wɔde akɔ sɛ wastate ne nyinaa na ɔwɔ evidence a ɛkyerɛ sɛ wonyɛ adwuma nti wonyɛ adwuma a bɛka sɛ lawyer da evidence na ɛkyerɛ sɛ menyɛ adwuma evidence ɛkyerɛ sɛ wonyɛ adwuma no sɛ wonni bank account
ɛno ano
ɛno ne evidence because yɛde odin no hyɛ yɛde hyɛ Experian anaa Equifax anaa the other ones ɛnyi bibi amma because wo no obiara nim o credit reference agency wohwɛ yi ni so yɛwɔ bank accounts wɔ kurom a nyinaa no wokɔgye credit o wankɔgye credit o wodin ɛwɔ credit files nti ɔmokɔhwehwɛ wɔ ɔmmɛkɔ credit files so ɔmmɛkɔ no na wodin ni hɔ ɛnom na ɛkyerɛ sɛ wo no sɛbe wonni adwumayɛ wonni biribi yɛ na wowɔ bank account na aka bosome na wakɔyɛ application na wanya sika kakra bi wɔ mu na wakɔ sika no wode ama ne Ghana wo mu no sɛbe wo sika no a wɔ ha no wo se ɛnso ɛyɛ dan na wo sɛ kukuru sika no kɔ Ghana obebi sɛ money transfer a mede kɔ Ghana bɛyɛ affect me ana yes ɛwɔ sɛ wɔde ne money transfer no wɔn hɔ na wokɔ wowɔ ba foforɔ ɛwɔ Ghana ana deɛ nti a ɔmo bisa no sɛ sika yɛ ade biara wɔyɛ talk ɛyɛ friend sɛ tap ɛne ways ana wave ana yɛ friend sɛ wave wɔn ana ways
sisi ade bebree abo Uncle Ben
ɔmo nyinaa na wɔyɛ no sika no ɛwɔ sɛ wo calculate na wɔkyerɛ baabi a sika no ɛkɔ ɛyɛ very key sɛ wɔyɛ application a sɛ be saa 363550 na wɔkɔgye no ɛyɛ sika bebree
ɛdɔɔso
nti aban no ɛde kyɛw ɛyɛ income loss for aban no nti sɛ yɛ income loss for aban no a sɛbe ɔmfa kyɛw free wabra wohu mframa pɛ na wagye atom nsɛm a wɔka no ɔbɛhwehwɛ deɛ ma application delay ɛne sɛ obi sɛ wo lawyer bank statement wei deɛ mempɛ sɛ wode kɔ mbɛhu wo sɛ yɛmfa nkɔ a ɔmbɛhu yɛde kɔ a ɔmbɛhu ɔsɛ ɔbɛyɛ na ɔmahu mɛsɛ twɛn wode kɔpɛ ɔsɛ wode account number 242432 aba wode another one aba 361215 yɛhu sɛ wɔ account number 787973 womfa number anobra the moment ɔmɛka saa na ɔmo ngye wo ndi bio akyɛ sɛ wo no woyɛ kɔhwɛni enti sɛ account no wɔ wo din mu ɛwɔ wo ba din mu ɛyɛ wo ba benefit account ɛyɛ dɛn ne nyinaa yɛ household account ɛwɔ sɛ wo declare
Uncle Ben ɛmo ɔhye paa nti no yɛbɛhwɛ saa nti na ebi mu ɛyɛ a na ɔmo mpɛ sɛ ɔmɛkɔ akɔyi ɔmo anim mbia na wayɛ nkwalaa no savings biara from yɛwɔ ɔmo any omo 250 bi na ye de ma omo no na wa be pile up wodi bi akeka ho ama crazy see wa benya be ye 18 years na you see household income na just obetu eno nso de aba eya na ensem pii but emre no questions there me wo bebre na so send ya aka no mema me de bema public no nso mo amotie me na mo hwe ye no na mo nso mo question bi bisa akonya ewo ho nti na message de bi di dwuma no ensesa ye wo hwe ye wo screen bi so a won say etwa ewo ase ho eye 0208 1231016 and I say 073 99 208468. Sɛ baabi a wowɔ no mbia na wontumi mfrɛ nso wobɛtumi ayɛ voice note kakra bɛkɔtɛ na wabisa wo question wɔ efidie no so na wode asɛne a ɛyɛ whatsapp only whatsapp pɛ ɛyɛ 075 966 20154 bɔ mmɔden ara na frɛ na anka bɛn wɔ ha wobɛma wo mmoaeɛ ɛnhyɛ da ɛmfa ho sɛ questions a anaa topic a yɛ discuss wode ɛyɛ fee waiver ɛnyɛ fee waiver when it comes to BWF solicitors na ɔmo deɛ law no baabiaa ɛyɛ din ɛde ma ɔmo nti producer wode question bi to so ma me sisi a ma me ɛnkan yɛn nua bɛrima Emmanuel Boakye ɔse lawyer please I want to claim my IHS refund but I have booked through my email address and my bank statement but I couldn't find it because of changing of house. My application form can't also be found. Please, is there any producer, is there any other means that I can get my IHS number apart from this? I called home office, but they were reluctant to give my IHS number to me. Hey, kwan twa. Uncle Ben, yenua Emmanuel, kwan ben e betumi aboa no. Kwan ben e betumi aboa.
Me name date a ɔyɛ an application no. But application biara we biara no. You ma link to the application. The application biara yɛ online. Nti wo link no nko ade a wokɔ online a wobɛhu application no wɔ. Mesrɛ mo sɛ mo amoyɛ mo application a mo download na mo keep copies ɛwɔ mo email mo anaa mo phone so anaa sɛ mo computer laptop. Ɛyɛ key sɛ application bi a woyɛ biara no wobɛ keep copy because Emmanuel nra me ansa I'm say wonhu application no. Next time biara woyɛ application a download na save it. Save all your documents and your application. Create folder, digital folder, e-folder. Say BBI digital. Create digital folder. Na save no. Obi a wa your application bia. Create digital folder. Na save na that bia no ubehia. Bia be for nationality. And I don't know what will happen in future. It's a 1 hour application. Save you save, you know, we buy a lot of iCloud, you a lot of space. You save your documents. Emmanuel, link now your application on the braille, call email mo, na call back to application. A B and A B now. Why?
Ha dwen application nyoma ye a etumi eyira ba Emmanuel se ni Uncle Ben aka no jesu yentie we nso.
Hello Manyeti to your ilake chele drumo oyoduba ya mbo o program e kotuye.
Oh, make us so bisa question but me name say menjaye mintie so let me answer this. Odofo wa homa so good morning patroye tie o kasa free. Patro wa o frame pick call no yentie o kasa free. Okay, Uncle Ben menkan we so the question no I say or send it by WhatsApp number. So I say good morning Manyati and good morning Uncle Ben. Please, I renewed my British passport 5 months before the expiring date. but the 5 months wasn't added to my new passport. Is it possible?
Well,
How am I?
meaning the NTR, you know, sometimes when I are on the big count, and check it, I have reason on that next time be all I'm the man.
Okay. Ọdọ fún àwọn ọmọ àṣọ mpacha ó tie yẹ ó tẹ mi nka. Sẹ ọ̀ntì yẹ nka nti mi ka tí o kọ no because mi n tí o nka na mi n fa obi foforọ. Why? Okay. Good morning, mi dọ̀fo. Mpacha ó tẹ mi nka.
Mpacha, good morning.
Good morning. But ó kà sí friend mi yẹn tí o nka ó kà sí friend yanko bẹ́ẹ̀ wà á wait till you bisa no question.
Me paso me ka say free handing.
Yo. Yẹ chia o. Mpacha ó bisa o question ma yẹ. Why?
Mpacha wo me ne my wife ne ba ha. But na me ne me ba me ne my wife pa me di kan ware no. Ono ni ono nkata sem ti ono obi ne di kan ba odi be ma ne di kan ba e.
Tacho ka say you.
Na Oba me ne ne ti ho no. Ono di kan ba ha. Ono odi nka oni obi ne ware no.
Into ex-wife a one ne e ware mrebi no. Ono e di kan ba krom ha. O de ajeso mame na kasa.
Aha. Enti ono abaha. Ena me so me obi foforo abaha.
Ena wa ware foforo. Ena ono yere foforo a one ne won. One na aba krom ha.
Me ne na aba krom ha.
Na koso.
Ye ba ewo Ghana. Ye ba bima. But ye mienu nyina ono ba na ode ne share so. Ena me so me de ne share so. Say me bia de ne share so ye o bia de share so ba bima o.
Okay.
Ye te se ne pese ye ko fa akwa ne ba. Enti me ne me yire no yentimi ye dan na han ne ye no mo say yentimi mfa akwa ne mba.
Okay. Eya wo yere foforo ne ne te no.
Me pa so ai.
Okay.
Enti they say na me dan na yentimi de me ba na ba. Say
na o yere dada no nso no ono nso pese ode akra ne ba na.
Ono so pese ode ne ba.
No application wa ye na refuse ana.
Ono no nyame pe na etim koma next year na ono ne ma no o be renew.
Okay, yo Uncle Ben, ye nua be me ni dale mai. Kwan be na obetumi anya mmoa.
Okay. First of all, with the OBIBA, now we say we provide evidence of accommodation. I will say we show accommodation I will provide adequate. How many bedrooms na mo? And Kolana audio mobile no more dia he. Omo ye mema anama.
Ose akwala baako. Em se ne line ko. Oya akwala baako.
Well, it's a best sit no more. So I don't know. I mean, we need a bit more information. And you on back, no more information. Without that, I don't know what else to say. Yeah.
Yo, Papa, question, yes. Also, my more information. Into no, obetumi asan afre na obi was so answer na memo wakasa. Min kan menua Smith Mensa. Or say, do they consider the income of the whole household when assessing the fee waiver, or is it just the income and expenditure of the applicant? The question, no.
Income, I'm consider a household income. You can't say householder. Yeah, just say omo on your motifi omo ye adults omo ye juma, and I say omo another form of income. Yes.
Oh, that did you had. You're the former my so
Good morning, man.
Good morning. Pacha kasa yeti umreko.
Na me man so na minya enti makofa nkra na ba.
Okay.
Na nkra na wo have for 2 years.
Okay.
Omunya na indefinite. Because I'm saying compensa is there where it me register nkra no once my baby 2 years for her for their citizenship. And now I was some train a more a complete or more 5 years in a year and son makes me apply.
Okay,
Me a British, but me won't cry now, son of me.
Wo won kola na nsa na wunya den.
Onya the British passport, or your citizen.
Nti kola na setena be no mo sisi ya.
Omo under spousal visa through omo man.
Wo wo mo wo Ghana na odi omo ba ha.
Let us try.
Yeah, I was so munya indefinite and so why.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it, Papa. Papa, what's your program, Nadia?
I know.
Yo, yeah, ma obi fufro so mba so. Mo amofre no, me unse bebre, mean to me pick more than one call at a time. It's no, yanya no baako why. Na wa ujina ma phone pacho, hold on. Solomon, Boapon say, Uncle Ben, what happens if can you pacho me pick call na lower win, mommy? Well, Luana, me pick a mesa cattle, Mr. Solomon Boapon say, Uncle Ben, what happens if parent with limited leave to remain has 2 months to renew, but her fee waiver application has not been granted and has delayed? Will she be an overstayer? Uncle Ben at Chichim, so we'll go back a little bit program now. Uncle Ben at Chichim beside the same question. Ama watch Chichim. And the other for one who must some patch or your frozen or cassa frame yantonka.
Me na me hwɛ a lawyer ka sɛ me nsa mfrɛ back na ombisa me no.
Yo, nti na obisa o sɛ akwaraa no wedi mfie sɛn ɛna two dan na mo wɔ mu no how many rooms? O say
September no obenya 7 years. Na me pa September no obenya 7 years.
7 years.
September. Oye bema.
Baako. Ɛna mo dan ne yɛ sɛn?
But now I'm there my wife here to
Single room.
Yeah, make the hall now. Yeah, nice.
Nti mo rent you can say or this rent contract no it comes as a single room and as a come as there been.
Apartment be say you be na share.
Okay, Uncle Ben, Pacho, maybe sa question no na mo e ben e betimi de ama no.
Mr. Pa, you're very careful. Minua Bema, obey our cofana bay. Was apartment, more single room. It wouldn't a bar, no better. Pacho answer question, mamma. When you're in a damn passo. Obana, were this 7 years, or a bam, or better.
Yeah. And she say no, say.
No, maybe some question. Answer question. What do you know about no better?
But over dying.
Okay. Well, I mean, when him answer no and he say your labor point, The first principle is a well mona or said only or bad damn pass or ba ever down chair with these 7 years. Well mono a year mouth because 7 penny 4 one year read sebe monim sebe mobile bibi ubeso ni mu ubeso mu and sa man. Wow ba with these 7 years. Who say ohun saa de na enti sɛ wa woni baabi akola no bɛda ebi a asaso bi wɔ hɔ a obetimi ada na wa pɛ sɛ wo do baba ɛwɔ sɛ wodwen ho yie sɛ ade a me yie ɛyɛ ade papa na anya ɔmo na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo ka kyerɛw sɛ kracha ade a woyɛ no nyɛ sɛ wo wɔ asaso wɔ hɔ even wo ha single room ba asaso wɔ hɔ a asaso no account to sɛ room enti ɛno nka obetimi ba woni asaso because only nkrɔfo na share enti hɔ no nyinaa yɛ ma na wo single room a wo do baba 7 years a obeda ne wada anya possible why
What you say papa
na me ba so ne maame no so ne maame so betimi afa na ne maame no so kura EU but ono so ne be ma fofo nete
enti se ne maame no ya application na or send him mammy na obetumi ehun no ya church and the right application be say ne ba and on your be ma foforo nete
Enti me ne maame nyina yɛmbra mo office wo preko.
Nkeye pa. Why? No, I bet
Okay.
because in yan sempi so near to me can if you so why?
Me patch up me amacho.
Yo, ya mention so. Ain't it Fred? Ne book
Na me
appointment. Ubenyo bi anyone kasana yama omre na odi akọ lawyer na opese hu bia obenya omo ewo ho. Why?
Mpalo na me nsha mo pa.
Enso ye dase. Yo. Dodo na efre no akwanya wo betumi asan afre na yakoyenim. Yo, yenhwe question yin so odi aba board ne so. Men come kakra okay. Yeah, kind Wumpini Adams say I don't think it's advisable to advertise your own business in the platform. Oh, okay. I'm say on you be casta it's BWF solicitors platform for purely legal purpose. Wumpini Adams say Omaya no mode omo business ebe to so no ya na hard. Now, Smith Mercy, so I can with regards to the British passport, since the new rules for EU, producer ought to make kukru the back screen is mami and kebe me de kakra. Thank you. I say with regards to the British passport, since the new rules for EU travel, they have stopped. Maybe there is an omission there. Adding the extra month as it makes the passport exceeded 10 years limit. Is it a question or a statement? And now I see what is happening. Uncle Ben, I'm a bit
my answer, and it makes a lot of sense. Or say, or passport
okay.
valid for 10 years. And the amount 10 years, nearly 5 years for come or passport now exceeded 10 years. Because since I EU, no. So our requirements are key. Also, our passport and I have maximum of 10 years. And the end to me 10 years, 5 months.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Matthias. And my comments above is for the person who asked. Oh, Mrs. Smith, yeah, that's it. Since yeah, they are lawyers for your platforms, so I'm telling you, which is good because you're starting our program so many years every day. Bia utie bibia utumi di two anamo emani eyeye. Enti yenko when so beside nana person committee ansa na mabo because I mean sure say directing to aha anase nya ba me bisa we yenua be Macy good morning Uncle Ben good morning Manyeti please I have 2.5 years and I am a carer to my 2 disabled children. Can I bring my child to UK? I am not working at the moment. Thank you. Ntimpacho, the question we be sending onye adwuma na mom or disabled nkwala mienu a ohwe mo wa ha na im so obaako nso e wo yenkro mo na obisa akonya wo ha obetumi akofa baako ewo kromo ya beka mienu a ohwe onu mu a onye adwuma e possible ana ankabe.
Enti obi a wo benefits bia se wokofa obaba ade a yehwe adequacy of maintenance enti usika no se woje benefit we ye den yo e wo se wo kire se wo ba na wokofa na aba no ene sika na woje no se yetete rent ene council tax free one Essex na we kire no ebesomo at the income support level. It's possible so in fact, we encourage parents say would you benefit for Obanabra.
Banubra. Na ehona oji benefiting so to me invite wa for say omonso mbesra wa na anka ben.
Obi a would you benefit bia no when you're damaged. The first would you benefit and interest we are half human being. And as we are damaged. What it means is so mama no papa na eba e den a ombeto ticket de aba one e to ama o sika o de to omo sika o ma de to e man na ye plausible say omo betimi aye sa na ma nti yes so wo sika o de beto ticket and our mama no papa e will be di kama awofo no be o sika o mu di na mo ahwe ho absolutely And yes, what benefit in see ultimate sebe. More benefits, no. Less human
Man
than
being.
any benefit. Obi a waya for the bia no. Oba, I mean, yemo managing maybe I can, but Oba, you go through all those stages.
Yes, that's
You
true.
better fee, better fee, lose job, yare bi or challenging child, or boy autistic, nesani many, you know, and clear said benefits no is to support you not to me shower. Tia no nkyerɛ sɛ wonyɛ te sɛ yɛn. Ate ase. Yeah.
Yo, yeah, that's other for one. My super to me and to Kawai. Hello, Patoma Pickle call no me and to Yo, say on Nekasa no which maybe some questions or say hi. I came to the UK in February 2018 and overstayed and was granted my pre-settlement in October 2020 after I got married. And when I will qualify to apply for settlements. Okay, or so when will I qualify to apply for settlement? And when will my 5 years to apply for settlement status be? Calculation na obisa ya wahanka men. Oba kromo 2018 na obeye overstayed. Nyame adom onya odofo bi oware no 2020 ma nya pre-settle bi. Sesi obisa say o daben no benya ni obey apply ni 5 years no na afen so obey apply ni settlement obisa said it's to do with dates there, I don't know.
And yeah, assume say our EU pre-settled status. And
Yeah.
5 years from the date of marriage, but the current application, I will say we prove so what na kromo 5 years. To say our evidence what na 5 years. Now I worry na the 5 years. On try masa almost 5 years and so. Obetime
Yes.
apply definitely. Yeah.
Okay. Nti say or to me prove say 2018 or ha no. Watna kromo ha to proud to the marriage. And after the marriage, so watna have to ni nyina could do 5 years now.
Time
Sanity.
on the worry, you know. Time on
Okay.
the worry, 5
Okay.
years from there. To say 5 years, you know, or worry 2019. Also 2020 pon or worry. Or
Yes.
worry 2020, yeah. Date or worry, you know. 5 years of my next year.
Okay. And I mean you have
Date
been
of
my
marriage, you know, I would say
But for
next.
yamre no question I feel na more questions neighbor. But wa must see it you.
Good morning.
Good morning, mommy.
Pacho, me mama, wabatina abrochira che, yeah, about 1990 no hono, or the indefinite, boni British passport, and wedding 65 years. And tonight me wonder how I obey near British passport
When you're 65.
without doing the test. When you're 65.
So when you're 65 there, obenya exemption kakra. Anka be you bet ya boy ya mommy na ono so benya buku tuntum bi na ode twitwa ne ho. E se
Oh,
ade
I say I will lie. Obet me answer. Because with this 65 are on your English, on your life in UK.
But wate?
Oh, but if I'm not apply a mano.
Uwankasa upese wo ye de a say uko online na e was so but upese be hu ye lawyers no so a e betwa ne ta e de ama o enti BWS
Person no aye. Ento hima uko Google for naturalization application form AN. Fashion. Or the form AN ba obey link aba. Account. Obey here ubi account ni wi a wobɛhia wo maame din ne date of birth wo papa din wo maame din wo maame papa din ɔmo date of birth kora yɛwo ɔmo so wo maame bɛhia 2 referees adwuma wo maame ayɛ nyinaa in the last 5 years wobɛhia baabi a watena in the last 5 years wobɛhia sɛ ɔda so yɛ adwuma a wobɛhia n'adwuma mu address wayɛ wei nyinaa na wayɛ 2 referees no deɛ ɔmo hia hyɛ mu full name passport date of birth address relationship my passport number, British passport number, we are shipped. Now, what print it, no más sign. No one upload ni na utu usika ni via. I 1,680. Utu via. Now, mami ako bonensa. Or bonensa via. Acha 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Now, Mamma, I am British. Near friend is some menum tea and biscuit. Now, if you are
Yo, when you
Bakyɛ
hear that,
meda ase
so
paa.
I share program, Nadia.
Bakyɛ ae mahyɛ.
Me that's it. Yo,
Meda
say
ase
Reno ko, but me near my you can say ba lawyer Annie in so our house so the podcast ebe summarize it program ni my na emre mo a mo frɛ me say nipa be me nsa e frɛ at a time mo a manta ma amre ko no ansa na mo ba but I'll give one person a chance. After that, Mema lawyer Annie Abba na ono so be candidate. Then we can pick it from there. Please, when you call the WhatsApp number, I am not going to pick WhatsApp number. No, you find your program. No, you just leave a message. So I only pick when you call the Skype number, the two numbers provided for calling, and a WhatsApp no voice note only. Inti me srawa o friend no me paucho. Me pick your WhatsApp no. Why? Ọdọfo a mapeke mpacho o kasa frame me ente wonka. Hello, mpacho mapeke o call no. All right. Say me nim near ye ne number no. Ene nti na yes sir. Yo, at the moment no memfrɛ ye nuaba lawyer Annie na on for the English version summarizing the whole topic na ye treaty ene no. Emma ye na ye mfama ye neighboring countries no mo so mo benefit from this law aspect of law. Nti so good morning lawyer Annie.
Hello, good morning to all our viewers and happy Friday. So, the topic for today was can't pay, can't afford, breaking the myths of fee waiver applications. So, the first thing we looked at is what is a fee waiver application to begin with. So when you put in a leave to remain application, there are two fees that you have to pay. So firstly, you have the Home Office fee, and then you have the IHS fee, which is the Immigration Health Surcharge fee, which you have to pay so that you have access to the NHS services. So as Mr. Usu said, once these two fees are combined, leave to remain applications can cost up to £4,000. So that's where the fee waiver applications come in. So that's for people who cannot afford that fee, and it allows them to basically put in a free application. So with fee waiver applications, you can either apply for a full fee waiver or a partial fee waiver. So who can apply for a fee waiver? So fee waiver applications are usually available for human rights applications. So that includes FLR, FP applications. So whether you are submitting an application as a parent or a partner under the 5-year route or the 10-year route, you would be eligible, or if you are a victim of trafficking and you want to extend your leave in the UK. So fee waiver applications are not everyone can apply for these. So for example, if you are applying for indefinite leave to remain, or you want to register as a British citizen, you cannot, apply for a fee waiver application. So how do caseworkers assess fee waiver applications? As Mr. Ostu said, there's an affordability test which caseworkers take into consideration. So they look to see whether the applicant can afford the fee. So it is the applicant's responsibility to demonstrate that they cannot afford the fee, and that basically they do not have enough money left after they have met their essential living needs such as housing and food. So the caseworkers, they will look at the applicant's monthly income minus their housing expenses, so the person's rent and council tax costs, and then any costs that they have to, they use to pay for food. So, in terms of, again, what caseworkers look at, in terms of income, they will look at the applicant's employment or self employment income, their income from non employment, or any income that they receive from benefits. So, for employment specifically, you'd have to, provide 6 months worth of bank statements to show how much you earn monthly. The caseworkers will also look at assets that the applicant has. So they will look at the cash that they have, any money that they have in their bank accounts, whether those are UK bank accounts or non-UK bank accounts. They will look at the spouse's bank account as well, if the applicant is married to someone else. And they will also look at investments. So if a fee waiver application is granted, the Home Office will basically provide the applicant's solicitors with a letter to confirm that, and the solicitors will be given a code which will be valid for 10 days. So the applicant solicitors would have to put in the leave to remain application within 10 days. They have to make sure that the code doesn't expire before they put in the application. We also looked at the service standards for such applications. So there's no specific standard service in the guidance. It just says that caseworkers must, make reasonable efforts to decide such requests promptly, especially if the applicant is disabled or if any children are involved. And we also debunked some myths today. So some people may think that if they work, then automatically they will not be entitled to a fee waiver application because they have income, but that is not the case at all. I mean, yeah, that is not the case. A second myth is that some people think that if they are not eligible to receive recourse to public funds, they wouldn't be eligible as well, and that is not the case. So what just matters is whether the applicant can afford the fee or not. So that is just my summary for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Lawyer Annie. So, you've said it all. Wabechichi mu wapotoka said mama. Mwa ye brofo enkwa ekyire no yate ase yi e wo brofo ni mu. Enti no me wa last caller e wa homa ne so unless mbia anke be che in 5 more minutes na ye dey account, but Mr. Mo next time na ya na mo mbra na mo bisa questions na ntem maya. Why? Odofo wa homa so pacho kasa free ma mente wonka.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
So, your friend is telling me because I feel lazy.
Yo, mommy.
But my question is, my name is Ma 2. Omodame so any application. Na nyame ya adoma next year October na enkata ne be. Nti ya say e be fee ba no animu ansana say the papa kan ya.
Okay.
Na me ko say ye application. Na say omode my before say time ne be October ne be so. Yeah, e be affect say no. Say be betwa ba cha na betwa ba ni. Ana say say na say October ni twem na say young grant ya you overstay ana.
Uncle Ben, interesting one.
Yeah. Well, another myth. Another myth. First of all, a fee waiver application a part of the application. Oh yeah, now man farm or visa ne ewa or 10 days or the application. Under section 3C, we are covered for another actually 10 working days until 2 weeks, which is 14 days. That's one. Two, so last year, and some of two fees in them, be encouraging so one year application. Application, oh yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, and some of my decision. Obi wa kind of 6, 7, 8, 9 months. They say application. But be any rules in my catch say, your mouth 2.5 years. Now a car 1 year. Now we application out the bar will see refusal. There be. But be any Lord my atrosa. And we have application in term near the Mawa. The Akano, Omo de Kakrabeka. Now what was the advice I made move, yeah, no say. So I don't know any unlawful and not illegal. I didn't hear you spending your time and say, you perceive a boy you now, almost suffer from issues with employment, with benefits, or especially almost security ni Uber no, or visa no upe, ube so almost start how employer ni nye interested so why you feel waiver. I don't know about trying to 1 month. 1 week, 2 days. Yeah, I count 6, 7, 8 months. Just do it. Do it. Not relax, not now. Not train, no more for decision, umbra. So we have fee waiver, wabra visa. Now we are before our visa and be war. We are covered, including some of the Bema and Omon farm. We are covered. We are covered. When you overstay. Joima, Sebewu next year, October. But I make a check here. You be update by December. So by December, na still take 8 months. You do January, Fatum. Now I could down 6 months from the bar, by June. Obey application by end of June. I could down July, August, September. The babano, now what time not that's so prepare. Why?
Yeah, that's.
But you read so. Then my men won't cry, no, it will crum her, but men worry on crata so. Now, on so the soldier and man so edgy and crata. Tebata, a bear affected if you a banana.
Ohima say, oh yeah, share household income. Ohima beside manye 10 beside. Or say Uncle Ben. Then a friend of household. Say pena bi or baby, ma papa te baby, non can fee or household no. The income yawas. Or you 1 million cities and nobody cares. All of us want to make us oh. Obano papa of anoko court na yanko jiska or no one bra. What's your remo? Enti on kan fie no ho on na on paso on di wo fie on so kania until them your court official documents so oni so we need problem. Why?
That's you. And the one of my mind is this year, and I'm a papa.
And our casa. Yeah, that's the share program name. Why? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Manya. Good morning, Uncle. Good morning. The Masina, my palm, go, mom. I mean, I'm paying them a late. But just a quick question, pa. As I fill application for be Akofa and Baba Abba or my mere wunti me fanaba. Na, but the tennis say, a drew baby a fill forms by a could be a friend VAF for a family settlement. No, say, living cost. The living cost, no, I say, how much does your sponsor spend each month on living cost? The living cost, no, when you cover the rent, this car, the eco baby, but I say, the same, but what are with my chamber can one that so living cost.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
Yes, VAF Appendix 1 and all fail it. VAF Appendix 1 no. A cast living cost. First, living as cost. Adia I would do sika. To me, be some living cost here there. Minum tea. Me will be tia, me tia rent, and I'm me tia mortgage. So me work car, me drive a car, ebi I'm a top, and I'm a high. Me top petrol, and I'm a fat train. Me shut area. Me didi. Me tia telephone bill. Sabe, whether near Kamakakra, bet me a cotton pub. I can't fanta, men cotrinsa, me can't fanta. I can't fanta. Maybe a medicis, me did kakra. Yeah, be an ofie. Ebia, me woba, ebia me banner the 4 years. Me top pampas, and I'm a tom corner, and I'm a man of pocket money. Now they come. To be some me living cost. The first big items are housing cost. Housing include rent, mortgage, council tax, utility bills, gas, water, electricity, and sewage. The sewage cost. The same gata no charge you. Any other living cost be internal here beside. Why?
What's it? With your voice notes on that note, and I'm saying the enquetes no, baby, yeah, now, Miss Remo, be more the questions by mean to me, Uncle Kind. Na the na and then put the Uncle me a chain kakra eguso. Na Miss Rene said, Yame adumochna the community and the law on the bebaso. nti no me transfer all these questions no ama mo wo ho am be bisa ama mo fefefe nti no ase obebo modern a ye bo 4 o'clock sharp pe na wa join the program no ye be share links ni nyina na wa join the 2 solid hours a Uncle Ben anase ye nua lawyer ba kono nso betumi acheche mu ama wenya ntiase na wenya wo chefa ewum nti eno ane say just stick with us ochna ana come to the program na nyawode sesia no emre no ko nti no ye de iwiye program no abewiye na momansa na ebekọ no mesa bɔ mo nkae nneɛma mu ɛɛkɔ soro nneɛma mu yɛ den ɛɛba next month like Uncle Ben said yɛsan tutu nsika no bi mu bio nti sɛ wowɔ biribi yɛ application bi yɛ a bɔ mmɔden a na yɛ ne siesie a ɛntwentwɛn so ɛntwɛn ɛma na ɛndu baabi a afei deɛ woyɛ na ayɛ den a daabi yɛ no abra ɛmo yɛ mmerɛ no na womfeesi denden mu ɛwɔ future bɔ mmɔden a na yɛ ne siesie a afei nso sɛ wokyerɛ wokɔyɛ 2.5 anaa wo extending marriage no wo yere anaa wo kunu na yɛse fa English ne ka ho a bɔ mmɔden na bɛho KT consult for ebetumi akyerɛw B1 no ama no akɔyɛ no kamakama mo a mo careful na nso a mo switch into places no ɛne ebi mo nso a motumi switch basket migrant ebisa sɛ momfa English nka ho no bɔ mmɔden na bɛho KT consult for ɔmbɛtumi aboa wo na wetumi atwa English ne fɛfɛɛfɛ saa nso na open life in the UK nkrofo si o usua no online na betumi akọ ye no we try no kre na mo yeto de bia na nyoma nketenkete bi wo ho a eno no se okyerɛkyerɛfo ankyerɛkyerɛ mu a ontumi enti ase yi eno nti na ye kɔ school nti eno nso betumi afrɛ ye bɛboa wɔ saa akonya no ama amrɛ ya kyerɛkyerɛ no bi ase na wetumi akɔtrɔ no fɛfɛɛfɛ obetumi trɔ 7 times life in the UK ni nyina ontwa ɔse ɔno abesua na ade nyame adom obehu ye kyerɛ ne sɛ isua na wo sua ne sɛ woyɛ ne sɛ ɔkɔ ya wotwa ɛno bi na yɛtumi didi adanse sɛ ne tie bi abra na yɛmboa wo nso betumi enya wo de nti ɛbɛda ase na wɔtwe mu nyina nyoma akɔ so ɛyɛ update na nso yɛmfa update amba gye sɛ mema Uncle Ben akwanya sɛ ɛdɛn na ɔde begya yɛn ɛnɛ na wɔtwe mu a mo ba so bɛhwɛ yɛn then na yɛmfa ɛnka yɛn ho yɛnkaekae ehu sɛ when it comes to fee waiver saa mate no ɛni hɔ bio enti no metumi akɔyɛ ma application anaasɛ bibi foforɔ Uncle Ben de begya yɛn na yɛde ahyɛ yɛn ho until yɛbɛsan meet bio nti Uncle Ben patcho last words a wode bɛka ho ɛwɔ he fama yɛn yɛti. Okay. Near say yo producer fa when it to so kakrama me na menja Uncle Ben be my SCM. Near me say se fee waiver no oh yeah bomodia na ye umuhu letter na wo so no ya checho oh yeah application na edu ye approve a obehu se ebeba so kama ama na ye na mom entwen ma na nye too late ansa na why so wo some transaction na eba statement na so now you have to you can say let me use the in this case defend so obe cheche mu say sika say uye ni say saa so na wo transaction na wo statement of account no wo saa nyoma na nyina na de ka ho a nyoma sika nketenkete bi wo ho a se wontumi nkyerɛ ase a ɛyɛ na ɛha adwe nti sɛ wonim sɛ we no the next 1 year no wobɛyɛ application nti sɛ sia no wopɛ sɛ undwen sɛ wobɛyɛ fee waiver ho a I think that this is the time a nyoma sika bi a ɛyɛ na ɛfefa yɛ account no mu any money transfer ni ade no wobɛsizi ne nyinaa na that is say adwen bi say obey fee waiver towards your application where is just a little bit cheaper amount from a 9 no sika bi efufa for account mu a unim say you can't explain when they ask you wa mbia na obi de achew ana say what send akọ baby ana say we hu ana sika bum bi about account mu mesremo this is the time say unim so obey fee waiver dachi a bomodian na yi stop with sas nkete no saa money transfer no so oh yeah now nim say on not on a course I'll be to me I explain it there misrel munjai ni nyina na sa account na ube use for that no want me use money ye. So it's just a tip. Uncle Ben, Pacho, and then I'll be dying and Sunny sorry ako.
Yo manye, where the mo fan cheme,
Mm.
your system no, a drop kakra, enti me yira akro afi system no, em say, yeah, technical team nase. Well, ade amede be jane say, first of all, one, over 5 years so, over 10 years so, wobɛtumi qualify for fee waiver. Two, woyɛ adwuma o, wonyɛ adwuma o, wobɛtumi qualify for fee waiver. Three, once a woyɛ application, ɛyɛ family application, human rights application, wobɛtumi qualify for fee waiver. Four, wowɔ asetena o, wonni asetena o, wobɛtumi qualify for fee waiver. Five, obi hwɛ wo, obi nhwɛ wo, wobɛtumi qualify for fee waiver. And finally, fee waiver no, ɛkyɛ. Nti woyɛ a yɛ ne ntɛm. Mesrɛ wo, yɛfrɛ biribi procrastination. Wototo nneɛma hyɛ da saa na ɛha adwene. Na mmom menyae a, anka Ghana deɛ, yɛ community na wɔ ha no, ka 99% yɛ application anka ɔmbɛgye fee waiver. Na yɛmfa yɛ sika nkɔma aban. Sɛbe, sika no ɛden. Yɛyɛ baa kurom applications ne bi yɛyɛ no, na yɛ free. Mentua hwee. About those days, Commonwealth nationals, na your mouth 2 years that na kromwa. We school, what's ha free, capra cry into say British nationality cry, and you say me more than £100. Ain't Fina Mutiano, I am very unusual. Say you several significant amount of money, several thousands of pounds. And to be a mumboderu, a sorry community, or yeah, what is your application? Fee waiver application. Obi or your application be a catch and some fee waiver application. Ne ye nyede online. Or say when evidence that wouldn't me afford. Test no affordability. Wouldn't mean to ya and a champon car no. Or say me do kana mean to ya mean to ya. Once I wouldn't mean to ya no. Omo twon omo ye oden wouldn't mean to ya. Remember and no ensu kwan ama application no en delay anaasɛ wobɛma time atwam wabra a woyɛ adwuma sɛ wo save na savings no na biribi abɛbom na saa girl baako ne ne ba ɛyɛ na wa overstay by 28 days which is more than 40 days enti na akɔyɛ problem 10 years no wadi mu 7 years sisi a me ne wo ka sɛ wa start 10 years bio problem ti men twɛn fatum o qualify a yɛde mɛma wo. And the worst case scenario, no say, is also client to don't qualify in TM family. Uncle Ben, let's sort all out. That is all we have. And the other best I show say the mawa letter the maoni na a nije be brave. Any code amount, your mouth fee waiver, the beer a kama, your damasi be brave.
Okay, Uncle Ben yenso yedase. Obi nipa kono ofre saa na yente ne kasa na afi we ja message na we dey mesrew emre no kokofi. Nyame adom ochna me de community and the law ne so e dey ama why fache me emre ko. Yo, Uncle Ben yenso yedase se eto nsafre o dey ahopopo e dey aba na wa be cheche afi dey ate ase the mate behind all these things ha esa fee waiver ya e ha nkrofi. And they are bedwedwem ya bekyekire mu nti eyi free ho se still embia na obetie ye halfway along the program na nye problem kra o du fie na wo ye obi bia na wasan repeat it. Uncle Ben ekyekire mu saa it's just 1.5 hour obeti ni nyina and even explanation e krampo there is just 30 minutes pe obeti ni nyina na wenya wo chefa wo se obisa question bi na men ya no ama make I say kotie program now. I meant it because ubenya ntiase better from the beginning because of maybe a question I will be say na waiting. No, I said just replay the program and then you get your answers. Why? Yedi nyame jamo media ne manyeti na wotwe nso nyame ya yenhyira ema abeto yen na ye hwe nim so say foforo na eba no eba abeto yen sa nyame nka yen nyina. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.